Dear students, today we are about to begin the third chapter from section C. The name of the chapter is Bholi, written by K.A. Abbas. This is the photo of the author K.A. Abbas, that is Khwaja Ahmad Abbas. Khwaja Ahmad Abbas was born on 1914 and is popularly known as Khwaja K.A. Abbas, and he was an Indian film director, novelist, screenwriter and a journalist, and he wrote several famous Hindi movies like Saath Hindustani, Do Boond Pani. These are old movies. Saath Hindustani was released in 1969. And apart from these, he also worked in several famous Raj Kapoor movies like Shri 420, Avara, Mera Naam Joker, etc. And he worked as a screen script writer in these movies. This present chapter, Bholi, is it talks about the discrimination on the basis of gender in our society. It talks about the plight of women in our society. क्या हालत है, कैसा ट्रीटमेंट किया जाता है हमारी सोसाइटी में women के साथ. It talks about that. It also talks about violence against women. When we talk about violence, पहले की तरह की violence नहीं है. It is pretty different now. Earlier women were not allowed to probably eat the same food. They were not allowed to have a same kind of upbringing in the household. But these days the violence has changed, and we will see how in the chapter when we read it. Usually girls are considered to be a burden on the household. They are considered to be a burden on the family. तो इस चैप्टर में जो प्रोटैगनिस्ट है भोली, शी इज़ ऑल्सो considered to be a burden, and the family is very eager to get her married so that burden is off their shoulders. But later on, Bholi realizes that the marriage is only a commercial transaction, and she tries to resist the marriage, but she is not given space to express her views. Pretty typical of our Indian society. Now, after this introduction, let us begin with the actual story. Bholi. Her name was Sulekha, but since her childhood, everyone had been calling her Bholi, the simpleton. उसका असली नाम तो सुलेखा था, लेकिन उसको सारे बचपन से ही भोली बुलाया करते थे. भोली कौन होती है? Simpleton, मतलब a simple person. We know Hindi, we know what Bholi means in Hindi. She was the fourth daughter of Nambardar Ramlal. When she was 10 months old, she had fallen off the cot on her head, and perhaps it had damaged some part of her brain. तो वो फोर्थ डॉटर थी नंबरदार रामलाल की. उसके फादर का नाम रामलाल था, अंडरलाइन. एंड नंबरदार कौन होता है? रेवेन्यू ऑफिशियल थे उसके फादर गांव के. एंड जब वो 10 महीने की थी, शी हैड फॉलन ऑफ द कॉट. कॉट क्या होता है? फोल्डिंग बेड, ठीक है. तो वो उससे नीचे गिर गई थी, एंड शायद उस एक्सीडेंट ने उसका ब्रेन का कुछ पार्ट डैमेज कर दिया था, और इसी वजह से शायद शी वॉज अ बैकवर्ड चाइल्ड. उतना वो शी वॉज नॉट एज हेल्थी एज द अदर चिल्ड्रन, मे बी, एंड दैट इज़ वाई मे बी शी वॉज कॉल्ड भोली द simpleton. At birth, the child was very fair and pretty, but when she was 2 years old, she had an attack of smallpox. बचपन में जब उसका जन्म हुआ था, शी वॉज प्रिटी हेल्थी किड, लेकिन जब वो 2 साल की थी तो उसको स्मॉल पॉक्स क्या होता है? चेचक. तो शी हैड एन अटैक ऑफ स्मॉल पॉक्स. ओनली आईज वर सेव, बट द एंटायर बॉडी वॉज परमानेंटली डिसफिगर्ड. सिर्फ उसकी आंखें बची थी और बाकी पूरी की पूरी बॉडी डिसफिगर हो गई थी. मीन्स इट हैड अ लॉट ऑफ मार्क्स. पॉक मार्क्स क्या होते हैं? जो चेचक के जो दाने होते हैं, उनके दाग वो रह गए. एंड लिटिल सुलेखा कुड नॉट स्पीक टिल शी वॉज 5. और नॉट ओनली दैट, 5 साल की उम्र तक वो बोल भी नहीं पाई. एंड जब वो बोली, when she learned to speak, she stammered. वो हकला के बोला करती थी. As a result, the other children often made fun of her and mimicked her. As a result, she talked very little. तो सब बच्चे उसको मिमिक किया करते थे, नकल उतारते थे उसकी और मजाक उड़ाते थे. एंड इस वजह से जाहिर सी बात है, शी वॉज जस्ट अ किड. इट हैड अ डीप इम्पैक्ट ऑन हर पर्सनैलिटी, ऑन हर सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस. इसी वजह से उसने बोलना बहुत कम कर दिया. रामलाल हैड 7 children. Underline 3 sons and 4 daughters. You get a question on this, so please underline this. The youngest of them was Bholi. सबसे छोटी भोली ही थी अपने भाई बहनों में. It was a prosperous farmer's household and there were plenty to eat and drink. घर में खाने पीने की कोई कमी नहीं थी. काफ़ी खुशहाल परिवार था, किसान परिवार था. All the children except Bholi were healthy and strong. The sons had been sent to the city to study in school and later in colleges. Of the daughters, Radha, the eldest, had already been married. Now look at this, the discrimination that I talked about in the introduction. The sons are taught in school as well as in college. तो बेटों को तो स्कूल में पढ़ाया गया, कॉलेज भी भेजा गया. लड़की का क्या सिनारियो, लड़की के लिए क्या किया? सबसे जो बड़ी थी उसकी शादी कर दी थी. सो दैट इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इन अ गर्ल्स लाइफ. तो लड़की की शादी कर दी थी जो सबसे बड़ी थी, राधा. The second daughter, Mangla's marriage had also been settled. मंगला की शादी भी पक्की हो गई थी. And Ramlal would think of the third, that is Champa. तीसरी बेटी का नाम चंपा था. And they were all good looking, healthy girls. It was not difficult to find bridegrooms for them. But Ramlal was worried about Bholi. She had neither good looks nor intelligence. तो चंपा की भी शादी हो ही जानी थी, क्योंकि शी वॉज़ वेरी गुड लुकिंग जस्ट लाइक अदर सिस्टर्स, हेल्थी भी थी. तो उसके लिए दूल्हा ढूंढना कुछ मुश्किल नहीं था. परेशानी तो थी भोली के लिए, बिकॉज रामलाल वॉज रियली वरीड अबाउट हर. ना तो उसके पास अच्छे लुक्स थे, ना ही बुद्धि थी, इंटेलिजेंस थी. So this is the criteria basically for the women. They have to be pretty, they have to be good looking, and as we read in this line, they have to be fair. Very important. तो ये सारी चीज़ों में लैक करती थी पुअर भोली. That was why the parents were really worried about her marriage.